It's kind of frustrating to brush daily, but still struggle with plaque buildup or stains or uneven cleaning. And love that this Bitvae Ultrasonic Toothbrush is American Dental Association approved, 5 modes, it meets standard care. It's so easy to use. The things that really stand out, scientifically tested for plaque removal. Let's see if I can show up close here. The ultrasonic cleaning is like a deep power brushing back and forth. You know the head is worn out if it starts to discolor. It's so easy to change it. You just simply twist it and then pull it off. And it does come with 8 heads that are for up to 2 years of use. Then you slide it back on and twist and good to go. It couldn't be easier. There are also 5 modes. So it has the white, the clean, the soft, the polish, and the gum care. I really like starting with soft because it can be, pretty powerful. Let's see if I can rotate through each of these and just show you the different options. There we go. So you can kind of see they just kind of have a different pulsation or a different timing. It does have a 2-minute use, so you know you've cleaned your teeth for 2 minutes. Here's how you charge it. So it does come with this cord, full charge in 4 hours, and it does have a 60-day battery life, 1 charge, 2 months, really great for travel. It does not include the wall outlet, just the USB-A on the end, and it does have a smart timer. I also love that it's waterproof and that it does come with these cases. So this is a magnet held case. It's pretty solid and tough. You kind of have to give it a go to get it out. Those magnets do hold. And then if you want more protection, kind of a hard plastic case, it keeps the entire thing protected, and it slides right in. You can put it in any suitcase, bag, wherever you need to go for travel, which is super convenient. Handle circumference is not too big. It has that soft mode for kids and sensitive teeth, so I do believe it has a lot of flexibility. It's rechargeable. You cannot use other brands of replacement heads, but it does have 8 for up to 2 years of worth, and I figure by then the technology is probably going to change anyway, and this is probably going to be gross. These are nice and soft but sturdy, so I do think they're going to last for quite a while. Definitely an upgrade from a manual toothbrush and a deeper clean without the extra effort. I think this one's a winner.